live a prophecy that every time my pen hit the pad, ink would flood away pages, the same wisdom of the ancients. Well, as I proceed to leave, he stopped me, as I stood in amazement, as he continued to make these statements. He said, son, how could you write so shallow when you could dive so deep, climb heights so steep, ignite flames through speech, bring the light to the people. The people need to breathe. The people need to see. The people need words that stay rooted like ground provisions. Listen, the people need to eat. They have been malnourished, misleaded, and ill-treated by their leaders, politicians, pastors, preachers. They pledge their lives on. But as we continue to look on the outside for guidance, it is truly the inside we should rely on. You see, Zion is within, 40-40 vision beyond skin. So it was written, so why these lies? He replied, to hide the truth from you. They keep you looking to the sky, sky to find heaven. Keep you looking to the sky, sky to find Zion. 22 tears fell from my eyes, symbolic of the 22 years of my life. The truth died, true religious homicide, true religious suicide. I then paused, let him continue to speak his mind. He said, how could you trust the same people that betrayed you, enslaved you, beat the out of you and made you hate your own African tradition? Now what remains is superstition. Money, cars, clothes, even their food is artificial. Where is our art of living? We are scattered pieces to a puzzle. We need to come together to form one image. But in this day of technology, even an apology seems vintage. Cables no longer need to be connected. So we got wireless, so we worry less and tend to hurry more. And the important things in life we forget. Peace, love, and unity cannot be synthetic. Damani Re, please teach the people these messages. Please. Tell them knowledge is the key. But knowledge without application is worthless. Apply knowledge in life to find true purpose. Now that is true wisdom. Go spread it to the masses, even if a few listen. Even if two listen. Those were the ones that needed to hear. And they will read you loud and clear.